How to use Claw.ai to build powerful AI agents, beginner to practical guide. Artificial intelligence is rapidly shifting from simple chatbots to fully functional agents that can perform tasks, guide users, and even run parts of a business. Claw.ai is one of the tools enabling this shift. If you are new to AI agents, this guide will show you how to go from zero to building something useful, even if you are not a programmer. What is Claw.ai? Claw.ai is a platform for building AI agents, digital assistants that can interact with users in a structured way, follow multi-step instructions, generate content or feedback, automate workflows. Unlike basic AI chat tools, Claw allows you to define how your agent behaves, what it knows, and how it responds across different situations. Step 1. Start with a clear goal. Before using the platform, define exactly what your agent should do. Ask yourself, who is this for? What problem does it solve? What result should the user get? Examples of strong use cases. An AI tutor that helps beginners practice English conversation. A business assistant that writes marketing emails. A study coach that quizzes students and gives feedback. A clear goal leads to a useful agent. A vague goal leads to weak results. Step 2. Create your first agent. Inside Claw.ai, you will create an agent by defining its core behavior. This usually includes role. What is the agent? Example, you are a helpful English teacher. Audience, who does it serve? Example, you teach beginner-level learners. Task, what does it do? Example, help users practice speaking through simple conversations. Constraints, what rules should it follow? Example, use simple vocabulary. Keep answers short. Give examples. This step is critical. Think of it as training your AI with clear instructions. Step 3. Design the user experience. Next, decide how users will interact with your agent. There are two main approaches. Free interaction users type anything and the agent responds. Structured interaction users follow a guided flow, menus, prompts, steps. For beginners, structured interaction often works better because it keeps the experience focused and predictable. Example, user selects. Practice conversation. Agent responds with a scenario. User answers. Agent gives feedback. This creates a clear learning loop. Step 4. Add knowledge and content. Your agent becomes more valuable when it uses specific knowledge. Depending on the platform features, you can add lesson materials, include vocabulary lists, provide example dialogues, define common mistakes and corrections. For example, an English learning agent could include common pronunciation problems, useful phrases for daily conversation, step-by-step lesson formats. This transforms your agent from generic to specialized. Step 5. Build simple workflows. One of the most powerful features of AI agents is the ability to think in steps. Instead of giving one response, the agent can follow a process. Example workflow for a learning agent. Ask the user's level. Choose appropriate vocabulary. Generate a conversation topic. Ask questions. Provide corrections and suggestions. This creates a more interactive and intelligent experience. Start simple. You can always add more steps later. Step 6. Test and improve. Your first version will not be perfect. That is expected. Test your agent by trying different types of inputs, giving unclear or unexpected answers, checking if it stays on topic. Look for problems such as confusing responses, inconsistent behavior, overly long or vague answers. Then refine your instructions. Small changes can significantly improve performance. Step 7. Use your agent in real situations. Once your agent works well, you can start using it in practical ways. Add it to your website. Share it with your students. Include it in an online course. Offer it as a learning or business tool. For content creators, this is especially powerful. Your audience can move from watching your content to interacting with your AI. Step 8. Monetization. Ideas AI agents are not just tools. They can also become products. Some common strategies include offering free access to attract users, charging for premium features or advanced agents, bundling the agent with an online course, creating niche tools for specific professions. Examples: English for nurses, AI practice agent, business email, writing assistant, interview practice simulator. The more specific your agent, the easier it is to monetize. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make the same errors: creating agents without a clear purpose, giving vague instructions, trying to do too many things at once, skipping testing and refinement. Focus on one clear function, make it work well, then expand. Final thoughts. Claw.ai gives you the ability to build AI agents that are practical, interactive, and scalable. You do not need to be a developer, but you do need to think clearly about structure, purpose, and user experience. If you approach it correctly, you can create tools that teach, assist, and even generate income. Start simple, stay focused, and improve through testing. That is how effective AI agents are built.